Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month, no prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is event planning. From weddings to corporate events, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. If you're organized and love planning, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses that host events. With a bit of networking and marketing, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy organizing and want to help others create unforgettable experiences. Next is data entry. If you're organized and have a good eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you. As a data entry specialist, you'll input, update, and manage information for businesses, researchers, or individuals. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $10 to $25 per hour for data entry services. To stand out, focus on delivering error-free work and meeting deadlines. You can find jobs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Remote.co. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Third is social media graphics. Every business needs eye-catching visuals to stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per graphic, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is product description writing. Every e-commerce store needs compelling product descriptions to drive sales, and if you have a way with words, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many clients pay $10 to $50 per description, depending on the length and complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding the product and its target audience. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to e-commerce sellers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Finally, let's talk about online surveys. Companies need feedback from consumers to improve their products and services, and that's where you come in. As an online survey taker, you'll provide valuable insights by participating in surveys. Start by signing up on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Many survey takers earn $50 to $500 per month, depending on the number of surveys completed. To stand out, focus on providing thoughtful and detailed responses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a flexible and rewarding side hustle. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose event planning, data entry, social media graphics, product description writing, or online surveys, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.